Hi, it's Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty, with offices located in Marietta, Ohio, and in Vienna, West Virginia. Are you thinking about selling your house by yourself? If so, I'd like to go over the entire process as a realtor, everything that we do to sell a house, which basically is going to be the same thing that you're going to have to do. And I'm going to touch on all the aspects of it. And if you do have any questions about some details concerning any of the different parts of selling your house, give me a call and I'll help you out and share some details. There's 4 different steps in selling your house. 1 is getting it ready. 2 is the showing of the house. The 3 is getting a contract on the house, and then the 4th one is the actual closing. So let's just go over some of the high points on all of those different things. But the very first thing when you're going to sell your house, you have to price it right. What we found as realtors that 90% of the time the house isn't priced really what it should be. A lot of times it's priced way too high or way too low. A lot of people have left money on the table because most of the time they could probably at least get 10% more than what they actually listed it for. So anyway, that's another subject in itself. So you have to price the house right. So you can hire an appraiser and have that appraiser share comps of similar houses with you. Or you could look on Zillow and some of those other ones and get an idea. Some of that information isn't accurate, though. That's just a warning for you. Then, after you've got your house ready to go on the market, then you have to advertise it. And one of the things that you want to do then, as you start to get into the process, is schedule showings. Now, how are you going to schedule showings, and who's going to be coming into your house? That's really kind of a scary thing in the world we're living in today. So you got to have some type of a vetting process in mind so that you know really who's coming into your house. And best thing would be to never be alone when you're showing your property. Always be there and have somebody with you to just for protection, because it's an evil world. We know that. Now, after you've showed the house, you've gotten it ready, and now you have to get to the contract. And the contract is a very, very important part of selling the house. And so there's many, many elements to the contract, and I'm going to make that the next subject of one of my videos as to all the different elements and processes involved with the contract. So if you're thinking of selling your house by yourself, give me a call. I'll be glad to walk you through some of the processes. I hope everybody's having a great day and have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon.